spots. Ooh. This is not that bad.
Are you
That's
okay?
horrible, like.
Yeah.
Bro, this is like look at my screen, bro.
Yeah, it's the
Maverick, look at my
ring.
screen.
It's the ring.
Bro, I'm in the middle of
It's
a
like
round,
chromatic
bro.
or something.
No, it's a case hardened. You got a fucking case hardened, dude. It's not a blue gem though. It's just a normal case. Pattern 661. It looks pretty cool. I like it. But are you joining?
Maybe right now.
Okay.
There's.
My keeper.
I beat Black Lizard. I just beat it. I beat Black Lizard. I beat Black Lizard.
Did you?
Yeah, I did it. Finally, bro.